Hello, Celtic Beauty. Welcome. I'm Jennifer. Today we're going to talk about what is inside of the Luxe Eye Kit. You should have received your kit by now, or it's on its way. Inside the kit, when you open it up, you'll see the eye elixir, you'll see the eye cream, and you'll see this cute little tool, which is soon to be your very best friend. You're also going to receive 2 inserts. They both contain the ingredients, the actual ingredients that are in the product. If for some reason you accidentally threw that out, you can contact us and we will be happy to send you one electronically. And additionally, all of that information is on the website. So let's get into it. I created this kit, as I do many of our products, because I myself am interested in how to age better. And there's a lot of things out there that you can do to combat age. You can go the surgical route, you can go the injectable route. Of course, there's sunscreen and there's skincare, but there's something that's never talked about. I certainly have been studying this for many years and I never really heard about it. It wasn't on my radar till recently, and it's called basically fascia release. And you might have heard of the technique called rolfing, or maybe face yoga or myofascial release. All of that is helping the fascia release. And if you're not familiar with fascia is simply our connective tissue that surrounds all of our muscles, our nerves, our bones. All of us have it, and it protects it. And sometimes as we get older in life and we suffer stresses or traumas to the body, that fascia that surrounds our innards, if you will, it becomes tight and it adheres to the structures around it, and it starts to pull. And when it pulls, it starts to form wrinkles and it starts to starve the cells of oxygen and of blood. So when I discovered this, it was like discovering something brand new. I'm an esthetician. I never heard about the fascia system in school. I never heard about it from all the companies that I work with. And as you know, if you followed my story, I've been in this industry basically since I'm 17, my whole entire life, and I've never heard about that. In fact, I always heard, don't touch your skin, don't pull at it, don't tug at it. So a few years ago, when I started to see these videos pop up about facial yoga or face yoga, I thought, oh, that can't possibly work, or how does that work? And I kind of just poo-pooed it, unfortunately, because I think us in the Western world are very used to slick videos and a pill or a magic potion to correct our wrinkles, and anything can be further from the truth. So I started studying, I went down that rabbit hole and I started studying fascia and the health of fascia. And I have shared that with you on my in my blog and also my newsletters. I started using Ashley Black's Fascia Blaster for my body, and I absolutely loved it. And I have both of her books, and she explains it very well. But as I was coming up with the eye kit and how to get the best use out of it, I discovered a lot of other experts, and I'm happy to share those with you. I'll put the resources underneath this video in the more information area. But what I found was that when your skin, anywhere on your body really, but we're talking about the face, when it loses oxygen and it loses vital blood and nutrients that deliver nutrients, we look old, and we look older before our time, and we get wrinkly premature. So this little tool is one of many that are on the market to do something called, to keep it simple, facial massage, eye massage. Now, ideally, once you discover how well this tool works, you're going to look into doing fascia release all over your entire body. Because, for example, if you have tightness in your shoulders, your body and your muscles are overcompensating for that. So they might put you in a position that you're not even aware of that's causing wrinkles on the neck area. Or if, for example, if you have, like the face has muscle memory, our whole body has muscle memory, but let's say you're always scowling, or you always have a look on your face, you're not even aware of it, your muscles tend to freeze like that. I always heard that as a child. My grandmother would say, don't make that face, it'll freeze that way. And you think it's a wives' tale, but it's actually true. So what these tools do is they go in and they release the fascia so that more blood and more oxygen can come into the area, thus, giving you a healthier skin. So it made sense when I was putting this together to have a little tool that would, make this work better. So this is what I do. Every morning and every night, I start with the eye elixir. Okay, when you first open it, it's going to take you a couple of tries before it starts to roll out freely. But after about three times or 3 applications, it will start to roll. But in the beginning, you're going to have to do it a little bit more than that. So I take and I put it right on my lid and right underneath the eye area like that. And I don't oversaturate the area, but I put on enough to give this little tool some slip. So then what I do is with the ball part, I take right in the corner of my eye, and you want to do light pressure. The great thing about the fascia is that it's right underneath the skin, so you don't have to rub hard. Don't think of this as like a rough massage. You're just going to go very easy. I take right in that corner and I do clockwise 10 times. Then I go up here to the eyebrow 10 times. Outer eye area 10 times. And then underneath the area 10 times. Now, this feels very cool, but if you have a lot of puffiness in your eye area, you can take and put this in the refrigerator or dip it in cool water or ice for a few, 30 seconds or so, and it feels amazing. So I do that the 10 times like this. I do that 3 times. Okay, so you're doing it 10 times, but you do three repetitions, if you will. Then I do the same thing, inner eye, the top of the eyebrow, outside corner, like that. So you're kind of making a bigger circle with this 10 times. After that, I take and I just massage the entire area. Oh, this feels so good. This feels so good that I actually have one of these in my bathroom, but I also have one in my purse and I have one in my office desk drawer, because it just relieves the tension, especially if you make that scowling face. It's wonderful to kind of get in and just do the 11s right here too. I will caution you though, if you use Botox or any or fillers, you're not going to want to use this for 2 weeks after you get your injection. Okay, they say not to disturb it. I have done some research on that. So once you have the eye serum, then you're going to grab the eye cream, and you're going to get a little bit out with the end part of this tool. Okay, now you could take it and you could just apply it straight from the jar right to the eye area, right in the orbital bone here. What I like to do is I like to put it on the back of my hand, and I like to warm it up a little bit because it starts the process of melting those rich butters that are in this product. So once I get it melted, then I put it on right down here at the orbital bone, and I actually put it up top here too. And then I do a sweeping motion very gently, because this actually acts as lymphatic drainage all around the eye area. And if you have extra, because it's going to take you a moment to adjust to how much to use, this is such a rich product that a very little bit goes a long way. So I would caution you into using less than you think rather than more, and then kind of adjust. But if you do have extra, you can kind of take it and just put it up on the forehead. Get right through here, through the 11s, like this. Now you can see I'm starting to get red. I'm starting to get red because the action of the friction of the tool, even if I did this with that tool or I did it with my fingers, it's stimulating, so it's going to bring blood to the area. So just FYI, notice that. Now these products are safe for contact lens wearers. I would say I wear contact lenses and it doesn't bother me, but you're going to adjust it to what you feel is appropriate. So commit to 2 minutes a day. You can do it longer. Sometimes I'm up to 10 minutes a day, depending on how much time I have. It feels absolutely amazing. The only thing I will tell you is that you want to clean this, rinse it under water with some soap and let it air dry before you apply it into your eye cream, because you don't want to bring any contaminants or bacteria into the eye cream. Likewise, when I keep mine in a little pouch in my purse, and I just give it a little spray of antibacterial soap before I do it out in the elements. So that's how you use your Luxe Eye Kit. If you have any questions, by all means, please send me an email, Jennifer@celticcomplexion, and I look forward to hearing your results. Have a great day.